Hey everybody, I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Let's get it. We are going to be making a hemp curry cabbage salad. So we got to get out of thinking that coleslaw is the only cabbage salad. There's so much we can do with cabbage. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we'll need one small green cabbage sliced. Over to the right, I have a half a cup of purple cabbage sliced. And then in front of that, we have one small carrot julienne. For the marinade, we need hemp seed oil. Oh, yes. A small diced tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of curry powder. In the blender, 2 cups of the raw hemp seed oil are going in. Now the tomatoes are going in. I've added the curry powder, and now the garlic cloves are going in. I'm also adding a teaspoon of Celtic sea salt. Let's blend it all together. If you guys only knew how good the combination of the curry powder is with that hemp seed, oh my God, it's an amazing combination. And we're gonna let the salad marinate overnight. Let's combine all the salad ingredients together. Now we get ready to pour that delicious golden hemp marinade over the salad. And I'm telling you all, the curry and the hemp and the garlic, they just come together and they kind of make love to each other. And it's just awesome. Now that she's all mixed up, we're going to sit her in the refrigerator overnight, and that Celtic salt is going to get in there and break the cabbage down and make it soft. And here is the finished result. This is our hemp curry cabbage salad, a nice raw food salad for the summer. I got more amazing raw food recipes that I cannot wait to share with you guys. Remember, I have 20 years experience, so I have recipes you all have never seen before. So be looking out in the next few weeks. We got several more raw food recipes coming up. Love you guys. Take care.